Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16e, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So I'll be using Windows for this, but you can also use Mac, it doesn't really matter. And no matter which one you'll use, the process will be about the same. Now, the only difference is on Windows, you need to download a third-party program from Apple, which is the Apple devices. And you can find it by searching for Store, and in here, type in Apple devices, and it will show up right here. Apple devices, install it, and open it up. And when you plug in your device, which I'm going to do right now, it will show up right here, and that's basically all we need. And this is kind of the page that we're looking for. Now on MacBooks, or just Mac in general computers, you just need to open up your Finder, which is the equivalent of like the Explorer, which is the area where you have like all your files, folders, and stuff like that. You can just navigate through the different like drives and stuff like that. Now on the side panel on the Mac, you will find your iPhone somewhere at the very top, as it should show up at the top of the list instead of the bottom like it's right here. And you just select your iPhone, and when you click on it, instead of seeing this, you would be seeing this page right here. So with that out of the way, now that we have that sorted, let's boot our device into recovery mode. So we do that by pressing volume up, volume down, and then holding power button. And you're gonna hold the power button as long as it takes for the device to enter the recovery mode. So it's first gonna turn off. You want to continue holding your power button. It's gonna start booting up. Again, continue holding the power button, and when you see like this cable on a screen, that's where you can let go. There we go. I'll let go of the power button. Now give it a moment and it should show up in here. There we go. Now as a recovery mode, so you can do the restore, update, and all that stuff. So you just click restore iPhone, restore and update. There is no way for you to restore without updating it, unfortunately. And select next, as it needs to download the newest version of iOS. So it's going to do that right now, and this will take about 3 minutes to finish up. Once it's finished, it's automatically going to go to installing it. And yeah, this is fully automatic. So I will pause the video right now and resume it once it's already done downloading it and closer to the end of the setup, so I don't waste your time. So I believe the download is just finished, and in a moment it should be extracting the software. At least that's what it used to do, but there's no more like window right here that would let me know what it's doing. And once it's done doing that, it will begin installing it. So at that point, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see it on the iPhone itself. So I'm just gonna wait for that to, there we go, start happening. So it is extracting software right now. And like I mentioned, then it's gonna go through the installation. So and I'm gonna pause the video and resume once it's closer to again. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your iPhone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.